If you're considering James Hardie siding for your home, you might have heard people say, it looks great, but doesn't it require a lot of maintenance? Some homeowners worry that fiber cement siding is difficult to care for, or that it would require constant repainting. But is that really true? In this video, we're going to separate fact from fiction and show you why James Hardie siding is actually one of the lowest maintenance options available. Plus, we'll explain how its durability makes it a long-term investment for your home. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. At Southwest Exteriors, we specialize exclusively in James Hardie siding because we believe it's the best option on the market for your home. If you've been researching home siding, you may have come across concerns that James Hardie siding requires high maintenance. Well, today, let's break that down and simply tell you why it's not true. James Hardie siding is actually one of the most hassle-free, long-lasting siding choices available. So let's get into it. So why do some people believe James Hardie siding is high maintenance? It usually comes from misconceptions about fiber cement siding as a whole and outdated information from older siding materials. People confuse it with wood siding. Because James Hardie siding has a beautiful wood-like appearance, some assume it requires the same level of upkeep as real wood siding. But unlike wood, fiber cement doesn't rot, warp, or attract termites, so you're not stuck with constant repairs. People assume it needs frequent painting. Some homeowners think fiber cement siding needs to be repainted every few years like wood. But in reality, James Hardie siding holds paint 3 times longer than wood siding, meaning you'll get more years between repaints and less maintenance overall. Many years ago, some lower quality fiber cement brands had durability problems, leading to frequent maintenance. But James Hardie revolutionized fiber cement siding, designing it to withstand weather, moisture, and wear, so it holds up with minimal upkeep. So now that we've covered why this myth exists, let's talk about the truth, because James Hardie siding is designed to be one of the lowest maintenance siding options available. It resists moisture and rot. Unlike wood, it won't absorb water, so you don't have to worry about swelling, cracking, or rot. It's pest resistant, so you'll get no termites, no carpenter ants, and no worries when it comes to bugs. And it won't warp or expand like vinyl does. It stays in place, preventing gaps or buckling. It's fire resistant, so it won't melt like vinyl or fuel flames like wood. All of these features mean less upkeep, fewer repairs, and a longer lifespan than other siding materials. So what does maintenance really look like for a home with James Hardie siding? It's actually pretty simple. Basic cleaning once a year. A quick rinse with a hose and mild soap removes dirt and dust. You want to do an annual inspection where you check around all the seams of windows, doors for minor caulking touch-ups. Repainting? Not for 10 to 15 years, since fiber cement siding holds paints 3 times longer than wood. You won't need to repaint nearly as often. And that's it. No constant sealing, no staling, and no worrying about warping or rot like you would with traditional wood siding. So now that we've busted this myth, let me ask you, do you want a siding option that needs frequent upkeep or one that's designed to be a low maintenance and built to last? At Southwest Exteriors, we specialize only in James Hardie siding because we believe in giving homeowners the best, a beautiful, durable, and low maintenance exterior that you won't have to worry about for decades. Want to learn more? Download our ultimate guide to James Hardie siding and get all the facts before making your decision. Just click the link in the description below. And if you're ready to take the next step, schedule a free, no-pressure consultation with our team today. We'd love to help you transform your home's exterior. Link also down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more expert insights on James Hardie siding and home exteriors. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.